What's up guys, it's Matt Collins-Jones here, also known as D365Geek, and today we are talking about Power Automate, we're talking about expressions and functions, and we're going to talk about the uriScheme function in the URI functions collection. So what is uriScheme? So the last couple of videos on URI host and URI path, these have been about getting domain names and pathways and queries and things like that. Scheme actually allows you to specify the URI or get out the URI scheme that is coming in, so the sort of protocol that it's using. So you could then use this somewhere else. So let's take a look at it. So I'm in Power Automate here. I have a manual trigger flow and I have a compose action here. So if I click into the inputs of the compose action and go across to expression, and then I can scroll down until we get to the URI parsing functions, which is down here. I can click on see more, and then I scroll down and there's this function here called uriScheme, which is asking for a single parameter, which is the URI string, and says returns the scheme from a URI. So if I click that into here, and then if I put some single quotation marks, I could type something like http:// google.com. Now, what that's going to do is that's going to detect the protocol that we're using here. So in this instance, we're actually going to be using HTTP, and that's the scheme that's going to output. So I click OK, and see it goes into the compose action. We can click on test, save and test. I'll perform the trigger action, run the flow, click done, and then we can see here that the input is the HTTP. So that's pulling out the scheme of the URI itself. So we could change that scheme to be something different. So we could use something like FTP 123.0.1.0 port 80, and we could use that instead. We can click update. We can see that's updated in there. We'll test this. We'll test. I'll run the trigger action. We'll save and test. We'll run the flow. Click done. Let's find the compose action, and again we can see that the input here is FTP. So that, again, that's taking the scheme that we put into it, or that protocol, and it's pulling it out and it's putting it into here. So this could have a lot of different different implications in terms of your flows. You could specify things coming from only coming from secured protocols, so anything HTTPS. You could say if anything's coming from a HTTPS scheme, then yes, this is secure and we're going to go down this route, or if it's not secure, we're going to go down that route. This may be something you want to do if you're handling sensitive data, or if you're handling submissions and things like that. It might always be a good idea to check to make sure that they're being submitted via a secure protocol as opposed to an unsecure protocol. But as always, I want to know what you guys are using these things for. So are you using uriScheme at the moment? What are you using it for? What might you use it for in the future? Let me know in the comments down below, or connect with me on social media and drop me a message about it. I always love going through these functions and figuring out what I could use them for. But if you guys don't tell me what you're using them for, then I'm only ever going to have my own ideas. So please let me know. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, and please drop a like on the video. It really helps me out. If you've not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.